Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Insights with Dara. Welcome to 2023. Today we'll be talking about ways you can be successful in fashion designing in 2023. I know as a fashion designer, you're already planning, you're already thinking of ways you can be successful in 2023. So this video is for you. Let's get down to business. So around last year, someone stopped me to ask me a few questions, and it was like, what do I do for a living? I told him I'm a fashion designer. He said, is that all I do? And I said, well, fashion designing is like my main job, but I have some side hustles. He was like, he doesn't think fashion designing is a profitable business to venture into. I'm like, what? Fashion designing is very profitable and it's very lucrative. I'm not here to just keep talking or whining my mouth. It is really true. Fashion designing is profitable. A lot of us, maybe because of things that has happened in the past, family members and friends and relatives, they are discouraging you from going into fashion designing. They were like, you've not really made much. Maybe it's time for you to go and get a proper job. But I want to tell you, fashion designing is profitable. It just depends on how you position yourself. It depends on how you position yourself for success. You can't keep saying, I want to be a successful fashion designer, and you don't put hard work. You don't work hard. How would you be successful? So sometimes we are doing things wrongly. We are not really intentional about our success. That is why we have not been successful. That is why you have not been a successful fashion designer. The first thing I would like to tell you today is to be passionate about fashion design. If you don't have passion for a thing, I tell you, you will be so discouraged. A lot of things will discourage you. But if you are passionate about fashion designing, you are passionate about fashion, I tell you, there are a lot of challenges, but you won't be moved by the challenges. You just look for a better way to do things over time. So there are going to be challenges, but if you are not passionate about fashion designing, you just see yourself getting all worked up. So, how passionate are you about fashion designing? So, number one thing is for you to be passionate about fashion design. The secondly, you need to be creative. I can't stress this enough. A lot of times we don't really express ourselves in what we make. This is a word like a lot of people are into fashion designing. What will distinguish your own design from the other person's design is your own creativity. You need to be creative in the way you do things. Then, thirdly, you need to be aware of fashion trends. I tell you, a lot of things are in vogue right now. Then, if you are just stagnant, you are not growing, you don't even know what is happening around you. I tell you, you won't be moving with the trend, and it will look like you have been left behind. So you should have a knowledge of the fashion trends. What are the things in vogue, and develop yourself to be able to make some clothes. There are some things you might not know, but you can go online, you can go on YouTube and learn more so you can position yourself for success in year 2023. I tell you, it's much more than sewing. It's much more than sewing. We need to know how to market our products. Sometimes we make clothes, you don't even snap them to post them online. It's really wrong. It's actually wrong. You are doing things the wrong way. When you make your clothes, you should know how to market them. If you're only going to market to your neighbor, your friends, your family, how many will they buy from you? Maybe you want to make 100 pieces of a skirt. Then maybe you've sold 20 to your, let me say 20 to your friends, to your family. Who is going to wear the remaining 80? So you need to know how to market your products online. Mhm. Online is a very large market. You need to know how to market your products online. And also your social media pages, your social media handles. A lot of us don't have social media handles. Some of us have, but we are not consistent with them. This is the way you can position yourself. for success in your 2023. You need to be consistent with your social media handles by posting pictures, good and quality pictures online. You want to sell something, you should be able to take a very beautiful picture, posting them online. You can even run ads so that you will be able to attract a lot of people. So you have to be intentional about your success as a fashion designer in year 2023 if you really want to make it big. These are ways you can be successful in year 2023. Please, if you like this video, kindly click the like button and please comment if this video has been helpful to you. And also, please subscribe to this channel and share this video so that a lot of people can see this video, a lot of people can watch this video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. Bye bye.